In this video, we will look at some foreign companies that will hire you for work from home and that pay up to $200 per day. It doesn't matter what country are you from and what kind of knowledge you possess, because today everyone will find something for themselves. Hey guys, how's it going? It's your favorite online marketer Boris. If you are new on the channel, we are talking about lots of different ways to earn money online. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, stocks and crypto are just portion of my content. So if you want to learn more about make money online concepts, feel free to drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, since I'm uploading 4 amazing videos every single week. Before we start, as always, all the websites we mentioned today will be pinned in the first comment of this video. The first company for today is Envision. The core business of the company is the design of digital products. As you can see, they work with big companies like Spotify, Netflix, HBO, IBM, American Express, and so on. When you get to the homepage, scroll to the bottom of the page and find the careers section in the footer of the website. A new window will open and you will find all the information related to open positions and what it looks like to work for these companies, the benefits, but also the principles that you must follow. They are a 100% remote organization with over 50 open positions for jobs. These are positions from the sectors of customer experience, design, programming and IT, sales, marketing, and so on. For the purposes of the video, we will select the Customer Advocate Tier 1 position and click the Apply button on the right. This is a position related to customer representation, and when a new window opens, you can read a detailed description of the job, what they expect from you, what are the benefits and working hours. It's a work from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. GMT. It's necessary to have a computer and a stable internet connection, as well as the possibility of 40 working hours per week, because it's a full-time position. Knowing design programs like Photoshop and Figma is a bonus, but not crucial. The average salary at the industry level is around $36,000 per year, which means around 3K per month or $100 per day. Of course, this is just an example of the position in many others. You will also find jobs for which they pay less, but also jobs for which they pay much more. If you like the description of any of these jobs, simply fill out the form and click the Submit Application button. This was the Envision app platform, and we move on to the next one. The next company that hires worldwide remotely is Livingston Research. They are currently hiring freelancers, and you will find their open positions when you click on the Careers button in the menu. When a new window opens, scroll to the part where it says we are constantly looking for freelance writers and click the Apply Now button. As you can see, they offer a wide range of topics to write about, and when it comes to the salary, they pay from $3 to $18 per hour, plus they have bonus options. What is an advantage is that you decide when and how much you want to work. You don't have any pressure, but you organize your own working hours and your activities and free time. As for payment options, they support Payoneer, wire transfer, and Skrill. How does the process work? First, fill out the application and sign up. Then you will get a simple English language test, then a test on a topic that you have chosen, and finally you will get access to all the jobs in the field you have chosen. In case your English is weaker, use the Grammarly Google Chrome extension, which is absolutely free and will help you with your writing by rewriting your letters and words and offering better words to replace your phrases. According to some statistics, they currently paid over 400,000 working hours, have a base of 5,000 freelancers, and the average salary of a freelancer is $800 per month. Again, this amount depends absolutely on your desire and dedication to work. Click the Apply Now button and sign up. This was the Livingston Research, and we move to the next one. The next company is Coalition Technologies. It's a web design and SEO services company. As with the Envision website, scroll to the end of the homepage and click the Careers button in the Contact Us section. A wide range of jobs will open for you to apply for. What's great is that even though you may not meet all their requirements, they will still contact you in a desire to work with you in the future and find some other position that may suit you better. For the purposes of the video, we use the Office Assistant as a position and click the Apply button. When the application itself opens, you can read some of the reasons why you should apply for this job. You will also read your obligations and tasks and the necessary requirements for this job, such as knowledge of Microsoft Office packages, Google Sheet, fast computer and internet connection, and it's a full-time job with 40 working hours per week. When you fill in your data and click on the Apply button, you will pass a short questionnaire in which you will enter, among other things, your desired salary. It's best to research online what the average salary in US is in this position and then put that amount reduced by 10 to 15%. Of course, this is not the only job on this platform, so if you have experience in web design, programming, or SEO optimization, feel free to send your CV and apply for these jobs. If you haven't found a job that you like or simply the conditions and companies do not suit you, I will leave you at the end of the video a playlist related to companies that hire to work from home, so you can watch other videos on this topic and find the best job for you with the best conditions. Videos like this require a lot of research and time, so I would highly appreciate and be grateful if you find some time to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and write down in the comments which job caught your attention the most. That would be all for this amazing video. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and stuff like that, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm posting 4 videos every single week related to these topics. I think that this channel will help you to start your first online business and make money online, so turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any important videos that you might be interested. Until the next video and new make money online strategy, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!